All right, this is Jason with the Local Locksmith Company. Today, we're recreating a key for a 2012 Ford Edge. We're going to leash you the door to find the code. The door is locked, so we're going to leash you the door. I'll try flipping it over and check it from this side. All right, let's get it over here. I'm not having any luck on that side, so let's try it on this side. Okay. All right. Let's see, that doesn't unlock it, so maybe it's the other way. Let's unlock it the other way. So let's go. All right, the door's gonna open. Okay, now we got the door open. So now we're gonna get the code by Okay, now we got the door unlocked. We're gonna decode the lock. And by this, you use these little crosshatch lines, and if you read, you can see as I do it. There's nothing in 1. There's nothing in 2. If there is, it's a 1. So 2 would be a 1. Three would be a 4. 3 would be 4. So 2 is empty because it can't be a 4 next to a 1. So 3 is a 4. 4 is a 5. 6 is a 3. 7 is a 4. 8 is a 4. And 9 is a 2. So this key is decoded. 5 is a 3. So let's do it again. We'll go right back through it again. So there's nothing in 1. There's nothing in 2. 3 is a 4. 4 is a 5. 5 is a 3. 6 is a 4. 7 is a 4. 8 is a 2. So that's decoded.
What about 9? You said 9 was a 2.
So the code is 453342.